I'm going to finish the materials of these objects, but first I need some context of lighting, so I always create some lighting with them first. I'm going to do it just creating a plane. I'm going to create a plane and I'm going to put more segments on it. I will put a bend modifier so I can bend it. Look, I can bend it in the x-axis. I can bend it like this. I will turn on the limit effect so it only bends the upper part or the lower part, this one. There you go. And I have it here. There is this is ready for the rendering. Okay, I'm just going to do it like this. Sometimes I also put here another bend that goes in the center goes here at the border of the edge, and I can bend it in a different angle. Now maybe the Y angle, look, and I can make it circular. This could work also. Maybe it's better. It's very common that I do this. It's called a cyclorama. Let me look. I don't know how to call it in English. Cyclorama, maybe. It's just a stage for rendering the object. Okay, this is the stage. Green screen cyclorama. Yes, it's called cyclorama in English too. Very, very, very interesting. And what I am going to do now is I'm going to start rendering, but first I'm going to put a material to the background. I'm going to put a V-Ray material here. There you go. I just select it, hit A to place it, and there I have it. And maybe I can put a color on it. It could have any color, but I'm choosing maybe orange or red. Or maybe it could be a blue, but a clear blue, maybe. There it is. And I'm going to create some lining over it. I have here the camera from the beginning. I'm going to raise it, and there you go. There it is. Okay. I'm going to hit Shift F to turn on the show save frame. The show save frame will show me what I'm going to look at my final rendering. And I will start by creating a camera. I'm going to create a camera. I create a physical camera. Now I cannot move anymore with my middle mouse button. Now I have to move with this tool, walk through, so I can look at what I'm going to look at the end. There it is. I'm going to hit render. And here's my first render that it's completely black of my my object. I will create some light, some lighting with V-Ray light. I will create a V-Ray light and I will put it on the top. Maybe I can see something now. I will hit render again and let me look at what am I rendering. There is my whale. The first render was black because it had the global illumination turned on. The global illumination by default on this new version of V-Ray 3.4 comes turned on. That's why it got black the first rendering. Okay, so I have here the first render. I can change a little bit the lining of this by moving this light, this main light. I'm going to put it here. This is my main light. And I will render again my whale. There it is. I need to modify a little bit the materials, but I'm going to do that in the next video. This is just the start to start tweaking the stuff. And I will stop here. I did this cyclorama, I put the main light, I did my test rendering, and now I can move on with finishing the material.